Welcome to our tutorial on how to complete the EOP application on Cal State Apply. My name is Kayla Ramirez-Seeley. I am the EOP Admissions and Recruitment Specialist at CalStateLA. Let's get started on the EOP application. Once you log into your Cal State Apply account, you will land on this dashboard page, and you will see 4 quadrants that make up the Cal State Apply application. To access the EOP application, click on the Supporting Information quadrant. Selecting the first section of the EOP application gives you an overview of what the Educational Opportunity Program, EOP, is and gives you a few resources on learning more about the EOP services, along with deadlines for each campus. Be sure to check this link and be aware of the deadlines for each campus you are applying to, as each campus may have separate deadlines for your application. Please select Yes where you see, do you wish to apply for the Educational Opportunity Program to start the EOP application. If you previously attended a CSU where you enrolled in an EOP program, please answer yes to the question. Otherwise, you can click no or not applicable as it pertains to you. Family information. Next, answer if you will be living on campus with your parents in off-campus housing, in an apartment, or in other housing according to whatever pertains to you. After that, enter a number into the box that asks how many brothers and sisters are currently attending a K-12 school. Next, enter a number into the box that asks how many brothers and sisters are attending or have attended college. How many brothers and sisters received a bachelor's degree? If none, you may enter 0 in the boxes provided. Next, answer what languages are spoken in your home. The last 3 questions you will answer yes if the question applies to you or no if they do not. If you answer yes, you will need to answer a few extra questions. Once you complete these questions, click Save and continue to move on to the next part of the application. EOP Parent Guardian Information and Financial Status. In Part 2 of the EOP application, you will be answering questions about your parents or guardians. Enter information about your parent and/or guardians if applicable. If a question does not apply to you, enter Does Not Apply in the answer field. First, click Yes to access the questions in this section. You must complete all sections in this quadrant to have a complete EOP application. If at any point in the section the information does not apply to you, in the box enter Does Not Apply. Parent Guardian Independent Information. You will add the name of your parent or guardian number 1 in the first box. Next, you will type the parent or guardian number 1's occupation and what their occupation was 10 years ago. Repeat these steps for parent or guardian number 2 if it applies to you. And if not, answer Does Not Apply. Financial status. For the financial portion of this section, you will be making estimates on your parent or guardian's financial status and to the best of your knowledge. Please try to be as accurate as possible. Also note that students must complete the FAFSA or CADA application separately. All information will be verified using the information on the FAFSA or CADA by the Financial Aid Office. Next, answer parent or guardian number 1's current year estimated or actual income, and parent or guardian number 1's last year's estimated or actual income to the best of your ability. Next, answer the total size of parent or guardian number one's household, including applicant participants, dependent children, and other dependents. Click and continue to save and continue to move on to the next section of the EOP application. EOP Autobiographical Questions. Section 3 is the EOP Autobiographical Questions portion of the EOP application. This is the section where you'll get a chance to share more about yourself, tell us your story, so EOP can get to know you better. Please take your time and avoid brief responses. Answer as honestly as possible while keeping in mind the 2,500 character limit. Do not use placeholder characters to continue, as some students will forget to return to complete these sections of the EOP application. When this happens, the EOP application will be considered incomplete. Technical difficulties happen, so save your work on Word or Google Docs. Cal State Apply allows you to copy and paste your answers into the questions. Ask for help with proofreading. Your responses to these questions will help EOP determine your eligibility for the program. Think, if EOP had only one spot left, why choose me? Next, EOP recommendations. EOP recommendations must be completed to finish your EOP application. Please be sure to speak with the person you would like to list as your recommender before sending this request as a courtesy to them. This will allow them time to prepare and write you the best possible letter of recommendation to support your EOP application. To proceed, click Create EOP Recommendation Request. Enter your first recommender's information, full name and a valid email address. It is always encouraged for you to add a personal message to your recommender so they know what you're asking of them. Choose whether or not to waive your right of access to the recommendation. Check the boxes to indicate that you give permission to Cal State Apply and the campuses you are applying to contact your recommenders directly. Click Save this EOP recommendation request. You must complete this process twice, as 2 recommendations are required for the application. And there you have it, the information that you need for the EOP application. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it helpful in assisting you with completing your EOP application on Cal State Apply. Should you need additional support, please give us a call at 323-343-3214.